82 Galaxy Fans 206 Play here. I'm going to do my review of the DX Doubutsu Sentai Zyuohger Cube Wolf. It is cube number 8. So as you see there. For the box, it is very similar to this box designed for Cube Crocodile. Yeah, Cube Crocodile, part of Tosai Zyuoh. Zyuoh the World with Cube Wolf. Shows how to form Cube Wolf. This just says how it combines with Zyuoh King and Tosai Zyuoh. Just part of Tosai Zyuoh. Just an image of Cube Wolf right there. So nothing interesting about the box. Alright. Alright, so here's Cube Wolf. It is number 8. This is actually very essential to the formation of Tosai Zyuoh, as it is the head for Tosai Zyuoh. There is the head sculpt, and there is moldings for crocodile, rhinos, and wolf. There's the wolf. There's a little glare. I don't know if you can see that or not. So that is the head for Tosai Zyuoh. This goes on into the middle gap of the rhino trailer. Alright. And when it's formed with Wild Tosai King, use this. And attach it like that. And the finisher when it uses this is the Zyuoh Director Shuttle, where it fires a big laser beam at the Death Galleon. So yeah. Okay. So enough about that. Let's form Zyuoh King with this. There we go. 2 and 1. So there is that combination. Alright. I'm actually going to show you another combination with Zyuoh Wild. This time we're going to use Q Tiger. Q5. There's another combination. 158. So there is one last combination. Oops, wrong way. There's 178. Alright. Of all the combinations I just showed you, none of them appear in the show because 7 and 8 do not combine with anything but Tosai Zyuoh. Alright. Now I'm going to show you what's like on Zyuoh Wild. Alright. Zyuoh Wild. Yeah. Let's start with those. Alright. Stick it on. Got Zyuoh Wild 6 to 8. Alright. So that's one combination. So now let's switch out the middle section and bring in Cute Tiger. This is 658 right here. So the last one is 6, 7, 8. And here it is. Now, if you want to form a Megazord that doesn't include cube rhinos, and you want to form Condor Wild and Zyuoh King, this is the way to do it. 6, 7, 8. Alright. So that is actually going to be it for this video. This is actually going to be my last Zyuoh review for a while, which is so sad. But it's for personal reasons, alright? So, please check out some of my other videos. Some of my videos need some help. And, if you have any video ideas that you would like to share with me, I'd be willing to listen. I can't promise I'll do everything, but I'll most certainly try. Alright, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you later.